What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Deep Rock Galactic on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we are going to locate this game first on Steam and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that select the Steam website and go to the search bar. Search for the game Deep Rock Galactic and select it. Now once you are at the page of this game, then scroll a little bit down and you will see a price of €29.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here and you will be redirected to this page. Now we need to search for the same game, Deep Rock Galactic. After that click on search. The next step is to select games on the left side and after that sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you will find different options. One important thing is that this text needs to be marked green so this game can be activated in your country. After that, search for a version which is activatable on your PC. So once you have found one, select it and you will be redirected to the game page. Now you will see a price of just €4.81 compared to the Steam price of €29.99. What you have to do is purchase this game on this website and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a new legit Steam account. Once you have purchased the game and followed all the steps, you are able to download and play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!